Hi, I'm here with Aidan Long, the station manager of our college radio station Wired FM. So, hi, Aidan, how are you?
I'm good, Jamie. Thanks for coming in.
So, tell us a bit about how the station works and.
So we're Wired FM. So we're the only fully licensed student station in Limerick, which means we're licensed by the BAI. Whereas other stations will be online stations, we are fully licensed by the BAI. To broadcast on the FM band. So we're a community of interest station based in two campuses. So we have studios at the moment here in LIT, and we have a studio in Mary I also. And hopefully over the next maybe year as well, we'll establish a studio in the School of Art and Design, because that's part of LIT here.
Okay, that's brilliant. So, how long have you worked here at the station, Aidan?
So I've been with Wired FM since August of last year, so I've only been at the station 9 months at the moment. And yeah, my background is in media, and I actually went to Mary I as well, so I would have known Wired FM through my college days as well. I would have been a volunteer and a presenter, and I would have interned at the station as well, so I knew the place well, so it's nice to be back here now. But then I left for a few years and worked in community stations and did a lot of work with community radio and things like that, so yeah, back since August 2012.
Brilliant. So, how many other people work here with you on the station?
At the moment, we have only one full-time member of staff, which is myself. We also have 3 student interns from Mary I, so they work 30 hours a week from Monday to Friday, and there's 3 of them, and they only work during term time as well. So they start in September and finish in May, and then we have a new batch of interns who start every September. So there's 4 of us kind of working here full-time or part-time throughout term time. I'm here by myself during the summer. And then on top of that, we have all of our presenters will be volunteers, and they'll all be students from Mary I or LIT or the School of Art and Design. And every year we would have between 120 and 150 volunteer presenters who, again, are students, and they work free of charge.
Here in the Wired FM studios here with Kelly. So Kelly, what's it like here working in Wired FM studios?
It's really good. We get to meet a huge range of people coming in with loads of different interests. Some people like the rock music, some people like pop, and we have hip hop, and we have country music, and absolutely everything you can think of. So we have loads of different personalities coming in and out, and it's really nice to meet so many different people with so many different interests.
Okay, and what's it like here working with Aidan?
Did you really? Well, I can't say anything bad, obviously, because he's probably going to see this. No, when you're missing. He's lovely, really nice to work for. And yeah, he's only brand new this year. Martina used to be the boss last year. So yeah, it's cool to have someone fresh in with different ideas and stuff like that. So it's all going well this year. And we got to have our first ever Wired Awards, which Aidan organised as well. So we're delighted.
Thank you.
Allowed to operate, because there's an awful lot of responsibility when you're broadcasting to basically the whole of Limerick, so an awful lot of people. You have certain responsibilities that you need to adhere to the BAI. So they tell us technically, like, how our studios are set up, then it all needs to be approved by the BAI. How our transmitter is audited every year by the BAI, so make sure that we're broadcasting within our range and our proper frequency. They also monitor our schedule very closely, so any changes to our schedule need to be sent to the BAI for approval. They monitor our board of directors, so our organizational structure as well. Again, any new directors to the board need to be approved by the BAI, and they also look after our programming through something called a program policy statement, which basically outlines what's on our schedule and how what we need to do to adhere to our contract. So, for example, we need to have 20% of the music we play must be Irish music. We need to have a certain amount of Irish language programming. We need to have a certain amount of current affairs programming, and even within the current affairs programming, that needs to be student focused, and the same with sports programming. So some of it's very, very restrictive, I suppose, in one way, but it's understandable as well, because we're a broadcaster and a fully licensed broadcaster, just like RTE or just like Today FM or News Talk or any of the big stations or Spins Out West. We have responsibilities, and it makes us a better station forward, I think, as well.
Okay, thanks, Aidan. Thanks a million for doing the interview with us today, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.